Morning campers. Well, start of day 2 and it's a wet one. A bit of rain overnight. Ian's packing down. I've still got a bit to do, the tent to drop, but we did cover our bikes last night. Do you see Ian's over there?
Good job we had the tarp up.
But the rain is just light at the moment, but the forecast is pretty grim, isn't it?
All day till 11 tonight it's going to rain apparently.
We're going to have one of those days, so it's just what you've got to do. Some days are good, some days are bad. Yesterday was a relatively good day.
Yeah, very good. But we did everything we wanted to do, we got where we wanted.
But the forecast is pretty grim, but it's just what it is, so we'll
bike packing in the autumn.
Unfortunately, that's the reality of it, yeah. Anyway, I'll bring you back later on. It's just packed up, got our rubbish to take out. Ian's just about finished. It's tipping down. Let's hit the trail. So it's this one, I think.
I found the limit of my tyres.
So this is the glamorous side of bike packing.
A lovely Wednesday morning in the rain.
In the rain, yeah. Right, we're having a bit of a mechanical with Ian's. His chain's jumped off and it's gone between the 2 rings.
Jam the rings between the small and the middle.
And we can't get it released, so...
See, what happens is it usually overshifts the other way. See that there, that little pin?
Yeah.
That stops it jamming between this, but of course it's gone the other way.
Is that a 3-ring one?
Yeah,
there.
Triple. So what's got to happen now is small ring loosened off.
Oh dear. And it's persisting down. Yeah, we've got Ian's bike sorted, but it's grim out here. It's grim. Oh. Do you like me new footwear? My mudguard's not long enough and I'm getting all the water and all the crap on my feet. My boots are Gore-Tex but they're still
getting cold, aren't you?
Yeah, you can feel. So now, yeah, we're pretty well drowned. Just taken 5. As you can see, it's a pretty horrible day. A good test of equipment. Right, so we've stopped under this bridge, take some shelter. We'll keep doing this, we'll do a couple of miles and we stop, have 5. And Ian's got a bit of a pork pie here.
Vitamin P.
Oof, pork pie.
Pork pie time.
Yeah. But yeah. It is still chucking it down, and it is forecast for the rest of the day. I mean, there is some brightness, but there's also plenty of rain. So where are we? What bridge number is it? Bridge 35. Yeah. Shelter. Oh, we turn off here. Right, this is where we turn off. This is the Rufford branch. We're going to follow this now. Yeah. It's grim. So Burscough is half a mile in that direction. Liverpool is 24.
Yeah.
Leeds 102.5. Should we? No, we've done that.
We'll get there lunchtime.
Yeah, sod that. We've done it.
What the hell? Mass grey legs.
Oh! Right, we just stopped for 5 on the Rufford branch, but towpath is closed just there. CRT are working along here, so it looks like we're going to have to follow this farm track and pick up the road round and then back on the canal on the other side. Yeah.
Nice and bright on the hills.
Yeah, a bit brighter over there. Ever the optimist, eh? Okay, that's just arrived at Rufford. Moorings, and we carry on that way. Come on, lad. It's fizzling out, isn't it, the rain?
Yeah, it's getting better now, isn't
Getting
it?
better. I think so, eh? Oh, we're sitting in one of them conservatories, or that bit down the bottom. Yeah.
That's a good little point, well done.
Get stuck into that, lad.
Yep.
Yeah.
This
Look
is
at
just
that.
what I need.
And I've got a big vanilla slice coffee, and we're in these little shelters out of the rain. It's just very light at the moment, which still. So yeah, the boathouse at Rufford.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Lovely. It's a lovely section.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's us back on the canal again. This bit's not too bad, but a very enjoyable breakfast, or early lunch, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it is brightening up. The rain stopped for now. A little brighter across the hills over there. Found a tap at the back of this church. I'm going to give our bikes, got a little hose pipe, so we're just giving them a bit of a once-over because they got absolutely caked on that towpath. Ian's chain was completely, the mud coming off that. Bloody hell, yeah.
Grinding away, man, all day.
See all the mud there, not good. Anyhow, a lovely churchyard. I'm not sure which church it is. Yeah. Looking across the marshes towards Blackpool. See the tower. Nah. Yeah. Just arriving in Southport.
The start end.
Yeah. Start of the Trans-Pennine, if you were partaking in that one. We've done parts of it. Yeah, we did this bit yesterday, and then we've come up and around today. Right, taking advantage of the wind to dry our shelters out. Oh, is it a pulley? Is it on strength? Got it. Right, shut. Uh-huh. Okay, we've just stopped in the Cross House in Formby. We're going to have our tea here, a few beers and a tea, and shelter from the rain because the rain's back on again. We've had it for the last sort of 5 miles or so.
It's been on and off all day, isn't it, really?
But tomorrow is forecast for a good day.
Well, blazing sunshine, I reckon.
Well, yeah.
We'll see what we get.
We'll see what we get, but yeah, all is good at the moment.
Yep.
Right, we've found a little spot here on the dunes. The path runs along there, but we'll not pitch up just yet. We'll just have a brew or something. But yeah, and we can just spend the night watching the ships leaving Liverpool. Okay, we're all set up. Light's fading fast, so we thought we'd chuck the shelters up, get sorted, put my tarp over the bike. But it is supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, so hopefully, yeah, it'll be much better than it was today weather-wise. It was pretty grim at times, but gotta take the rough with the smooth, eh?
Type 2 fun.
Yeah, it's always better afterwards, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
But we're just gonna settle down, have a brew, a drink, just chill out. As I say, just watch the ships coming in and out. I think the tide, is it coming in? It's hard to tell, isn't it?
It looks like it is, isn't it?
Yeah. But yeah, we've got a nice breeze blowing through camp, so keep the condensation down in the morning. Right, we're going to call it a night. That's us pitched up on the dunes just outside of Crosby for tonight. Yeah. The rain has kept off, so I
was going to say different from this morning, wasn't it? We pissed it. Sorry,
no, it's fine. It really did.
We got soaked this morning.
It was grim this morning, and by dinner time it sort of petered out a little bit, and then it come back on again sort of mid-afternoon. So we've ducked and dived and avoided showers, and then obviously where we stopped for our tea, it started chucking it again, and then
luckily we're under cover.
But where we're at tonight is it is good. But tomorrow, a different day, another day.
Oh, it's going to be blazing sunshine.
Blazing sunshine. It's going to be summer tomorrow. Anyhow.
Yep.
Well, that's what it says anyhow. But
well, we'll see what we get.
See what we get. But as always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.